Hey everyone, how's it going? I'm Rafael Nascimento, CEO of Innovation AI Agents Platform, a global AI company that's here to help you automate your customer service for both your external and internal clients, improving their customer experience, and enhancing the way you handle your clients from the very beginning of the interaction all the way to the end. How to automate all your customer service with artificial intelligence. That's right, isn't it? That's exactly what you heard. Today, I'm going to show you the platform in action so you can use it, whether it's in your store, your company, your office, your corporation, for processes like signing documents, data confirmation, purchases, and a whole range of applications that you'll be able to take advantage of with our powerful artificial intelligence platform. You can create your own agent and set it up to respond the way you want, by phone, WhatsApp, SMS, or email. How cool is that? You can automate all your company's customer service with your company's DNA, delivering the best that the market has to offer. So come with me and check this out. I'm here on the Innovation AI website. So here on the website, you have all the information about the platform, the models we use, and how the whole platform works. And here we have a customer area button. When you click on the customer area button, you go to the login screen. Let's log in together. We're now logged into the platform. Here we have a control panel. In this case, I'm looking at this is a test environment, so I can see everything that's happening in real time here in the test environment. And here we have, oops, let's switch it to English. All right, here we have the agents. So we're here in the agents section. This is where you create your agent. How do you create an agent? You enter here your company, your agent's name, whether it's going to be female or male, right? The voice, the profile, the focus, the objective, and what integrations you have, right? If you need to do something in your ERP or your CRM, what method are you going to call to make that interaction with your CRM or your ERP? For example, in the case of confirming a contract or a purchase or opening a ticket or scheduling an appointment, which method do you use? Which API do you use to make this integration? The service itinerary. What is the step-by-step process for the service, the assumptions, the guidelines and restrictions, which are very important, the extra prompt, which channel you're going to use, whether it's a SIP channel, a phone call, or a WhatsApp channel, which LLM we're going to use, the voice, and the time zone, because this platform is global. So here you can choose the time zone you want to use as the default. Perfect. So let's pick an agent that's already been created. It's the last one here, edit. So Innova is an assista. It's an agent that opens first-level technology support tickets. It logs all company support tickets. It can help your customer buy, answer product questions, or schedule a medical appointment. In this case here, it opens the technology support ticket. The focus, the goal, if you want to see a bit of how the prompt works, you can check it out here. It's written in Portuguese here, okay guys, but it's the service itinerary, the information, the guidelines, what the Integra, what the support channels are. In this case, it's official WhatsApp and phone calls. I'm going to show it working for you. So what tool will this agent have access to? In this case here, there's no tool, okay? This is just for demonstration, all right? If it were a production agent, it would be connected to some integration with one of your systems. All right, then. Shall we see how it works? Let's go back to the home screen just to demonstrate. And I'll come here to the session screen. How does it work? Let's make the call here so you can see. Look, Tasha.
Hello, I'm Innova, the virtual assistant from Innovation AI. How can I help you today?
Hi, Innova. How are you? I'm having a problem with my computer. Do you think you can help me?
Hello, I'm fine. Thank you for asking. Of course, I can help you with your computer problem. For that, I need you to provide your ID or registration number, please.
My ID is 40.30.
Thank you. Now, please tell me your full name.
My name is Rafael Nascimento.
Thank you, Rafael. Now, please tell me.
It's really cool, isn't it?
Floor or building, or the floor.
I'm on the innovation floor, the third floor in the Faria Lima building.
Perfect, Rafael. Now, please tell me what problem you're having with your computer.
My MacBook is having.
Is it an incident or a service you need?
The MacBook screen is flickering.
I understand, Rafael. To open the ticket, I'll collect the information. You mentioned that the problem is your MacBook screen is flickering. Now I'm going to open the ticket. One moment, please.
And here, I'm going to hang up, but look, this would be the moment when he would record this using a tool through an integration with his system. It could be a self-service signal, it could be an ITSM ticketing system, whatever you have in your company. But this is just an example. This call could be to answer questions about products, to consult your customer database, to perform a task, an action, right? It's a bank. It could be a customer's action at the bank. Anyway, there are countless applications that can help your company automate call handling. What did he do here? Look, follow along with me on the screen. He created a service session, and with this service session, I can come here and click on View Details. And here, I can see everything that happened during the call. In this case, it was a voice message, so there's a little microphone icon. It could be a little chat bubble if it were a text message, like on WhatsApp, and everything that happens during the call. And here it would show the tools that were used. Here, there was a tool call error because we don't have the integration set up, since this is just a test, but this call would go to your system to perform some action via API. So, in this case, it would be opening a ticket, for example, in ServiceNow. So you can track and audit everything that happened during the call, and all the tools that were used throughout that service process. It could be a tool to look up the customer's data to continue the service. It could be a tool to see if a customer has any outstanding invoices, so you can send that invoice for the customer to pay, for example, and then log the ticket, for instance, in your CRM. So just there, I've already mentioned 3 tools in a sample flow we could have set up here, and there's a cool button called Replay. Check this out, it's really cool.
Can I help you with a problem on your computer? For that, I'll need you to give me your ID or employee number, please. My ID is 40.30.
Look, now we turned up the volume here, and now the audio is coming out.
My name is Raphael. Thank you, Raphael. Now, please tell me your location, like the site, building, or floor. Guys, I'm on the floor. Do you want me to check which floor? It's the 3rd floor. Perfect.
I'm going to refresh it. Now, we're going to see how it works on WhatsApp. Follow along with me here on my phone screen. See the conversation with Innova, with our IT ticket assistant, right? Shall we talk to her and see what happens? Hi, how are you, Innova? I sent a voice message. Do you think she'll reply? Let's see how she's going to interact here. Let's see what she replied.
Hello, Raphael. I'm good, thank you for asking. How can I help you today?
I'd like to open a ticket because my computer screen is flickering. It's a MacBook, and the screen keeps flickering. I have no idea what's wrong with it. Can you help me? Now the WhatsApp session is popped up here. So there's a call session, which is the one we just did a moment ago, right? And the WhatsApp session here just landed in the session queue, so you can keep track of what's happening in your company. Whether it's by phone or WhatsApp, you see everything here, all on this dashboard.
Of course, Raphael. I'll help you with that. To open the ticket, I need you to give me your ID or employee number, please.
My ID is 40.30. I'm sending a voice message. Shall we try talking to her by text as well? Here, her behavior adapts to what the user is doing. So I sent a voice message and she replies with audio. But I can send text too. But let's see her response.
Thank you, Raphael. Now, please tell me your location, such as the site, building, or floor, so I can properly log the ticket.
I'm at the Lisbon office, Portugal. Floor 2. I sent a text. Let's see if she replies by text. Hey, look at that, everyone. Check out this message. Look at my screen, I'll show you here. She sent the reply as a text message. You could also follow along on my phone. Look, on the computer screen and on WhatsApp too, you'll see here that she sent a text. If we want to see the conversation happening here in real time, I click on View Session Details. And here I have everything that was said. Look, the little microphone icon. See? That was a voice message inside WhatsApp. And then when you scroll down, it shows that I sent a text. See the little speech bubble and where it is, right? Which is the other speech bubble. If I had a team here monitoring the support, and it was a situation that needed some follow-up, I could also take over this support and talk directly to the customer. Hello. This is Raphael from support. So I said here, this is Raphael from support. Let's see what happens here in the conversation. Look, the user's name shows up, right? The name of the agent, the support agent who took over that support at that moment. Why did I show this? This tool for taking over the support, I can hand it back to the AI. I'm handing the support back to the AI. Why did I show this? Because with AI, the idea is that we automate all the support for your company. If there's anything you need to have handled by a human, that's also totally possible through the platform. Someone can take over the support, or through some trigger, some configuration, you can make that support request go to a support queue and someone can handle it. I sincerely hope you really enjoyed this solution that will transform the way your company serves both your external customers and your own internal clients within your company, within your business. If you want immediate commercial assistance, click on the description of this video you're watching or on the button you see somewhere on this page and schedule a meeting with our sales team. We will be more than happy to assist you wherever you are. A big hug, God bless you, and have an excellent week. Thank you for your time.